So this video is to talk about Когда phrases and how to translate them. We've seen the word Когда before, most often being translated as when. Когда у нас занятия? When do we have class? So as a question word. But there are a couple other ways to translate it depending on context, which is why we avoid direct one-to-one translation. So when is the most common translation that we've seen so far, and Когда can also be translated to after or while. Depends on the context. So let's look at a few examples. So if you have two simultaneous actions, we're probably going to translate когда as while. For example, когда я убирала квартиру, я слушала музыку. While I was cleaning the apartment, I listened to music. Or when I was cleaning the apartment, I listened to music, depending on how you want to do that in English. So that's one possibility, sequential actions, or simultaneous actions. And sequential actions is the next one. So first one ends, and then the next one starts. For example, когда я убрала квартиру, я поужинала. And here we can translate it as after. So after I cleaned the apartment, I ate dinner. So we had simultaneous actions, sequential actions, and now we have an interrupted background action. So something's happening, and then boom, something else occurs. For example, когда я убирала квартиру, мама позвонила. So our background action is that we were cleaning the apartment, and then all of a sudden, boom, mom called. And here we can translate когда as while I was cleaning the apartment, my mom called. So depending on the meaning that you're trying to convey and what kind of context you have, you're going to need either perfective or imperfective verbs. If you have simultaneous actions that are happening at the same time, then we're going to want imperfective verbs. If we have sequential actions, then just like we've seen before, sequence of actions is perfective verbs. And if you have an interrupted background action, then you're going to have one of each, a perfective and an imperfective verb. So let's look at our examples again. So first, our simultaneous actions. We're cleaning the apartment and we're listening to music. Убирала квартиру и слушала музыку, both imperfective. Then we have our sequence. First one ends, then the other begins. Я убрала, perfective. Я поужинала, also perfective. And here's our interrupted background action. So you can see that the background action is imperfective. Когда я убирала квартиру, something that's going on, a continuous process, if you will. It's kind of like our focus on duration. And then, boom, mama позвонила. Our action that interrupts it is with a perfective verb. So imperfective, interrupted by perfective. And that's Когда phrases.